Hello you guys, welcome to Acutech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you that how we can do something to save our time in Microsoft Word while composing, while typing, while doing your task and assignments. So it is very important to understand that if I want to do something similar and need to put the same text again and again in page 1, 2, 3 or 4 and etc. So how we can do that? For example, I have lots of the page like this page I have done, and the second page, if I put this one on second page, so I just click enter and then just need to go to the third or second page. So you can do that, and by shortcut column break, page break, you can do control plus enter. You can see that. Nice. So I have a different section. I have a different paragraph in different page, so I like to put something here like date and time and the manager name and all that. So what I have to do, so some built-in properties you can add here, like just go to insert, then you have quick parts and then document property. Here's all keywords you can use. For example, in the end, if I want to put the company phone number, I don't want to type, I don't want to enter every time. So company phone number would be like 01 and then 77755559428. Like this is the company phone number. So first I just put here, and second I just need to hear there or any starting word here. So just any category, company email, company phone number, you can that subject like this one. So dear sir, madam, and then company phone number. If I want to put here company phone number, then just go and then select the company phone company email, and company email, it's actually msword at ms.com. This is company phone number. Anything, any property you want to add here, like you can see in this list, author name, if you want to put category, comments, company, company address, company email, we have already done that. Keywords, if any keyword would you like to add here, manager name, published date, and then status and subject title. I want to put here some more text which is published date, and not here but here under the company email address. So just here, and then you can say the published date, and published date would be like today we have 5/2/2022. This is how I have done this first paragraph for the first session, first letter I have done. Now the second one, which I have a different phone number, different email, and different things. So you need to put it again just like dear man. But if that is same, so you can use the same thing. Like if I want to write here, so I just go ahead and click that document, and then like here's the subject. Now dear ma'am and sir, and then click again, and then what we need, the second we have the company phone number. So the company phone number, we just put it, and the third one which we need is company email address. So in order to add company email address, what you have to do, just click here, and then anywhere in the document you can put it. Right now, for now, we want to write down here, so you can do that. If you would like to put here, then just click and then company email address. Now you can. And similarly, you could do the same action for this paragraph. So you don't need to write down and type the text again and again anywhere. So if even you just delete all these text, and then when you have take another thing and put the same thing here, like if you want to add the subject, you can see here. Okay, subject, and anywhere you just go. That how to use a built-in properties in Microsoft Word in order to save your time. So hope you like and enjoy the video. Take care.